Hey guys, this is no nice video, and I'm seeing everyone pulling million coins on large quick sells. 99 more Master Bo Jackson last season, 99 this, 99 that last season. And then this season I see people keep pulling. Like they pull everything. So I was thinking to myself, if I did another video, will I pull something? Yeah, I know it's dumb, but that's what I was thinking because I already see now. Oh, 99 Bo Jackson or crap like that. So I'm like, So I did it. I'm doing it to test my luck to see. And that's just not like a reconnection. It's because everyone's on the computers. Like we have like 4 computers in the house, and everyone's on the internet. It's like so crappy. So yeah. We get better server downstairs or settings upstairs. I don't know why. Let's just do this. Oh, I already opened 2 when I got the thing, because I opened 2, I pulled something, but it was the best. And I thought about last time I said, and I couldn't turn out, so let's do this. That pack was not the best. Let's see what we get off the next one. Alright. And I'm open. Go back with the rest of it. Okay. Nothing. But been alright. Okay. So we randomly opened that. I'm really hoping for a legend, because if I get a legend, most feared, a legend, or whatever, if I get one of those things, I'm a buttload of money. So that's what I'm hoping for. My team's like that because they sold Brady Nelson and Shannon Sharp. Legend Shannon Sharp. And I get Stevie Ronald Burn. I'm gonna add that to the set right now. So let me show you my team. It used to be a lot better till I did what I did to it. So my players. So this is my defense. I just pulled him out packs. So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video.